Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Laressa Ngoeun here, Realtor with eXp Realty here in Drumheller, Alberta, Canada, aka, yes, you know it, dinosaur capital of the world. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to create an email signature with clickable links using Canva. This is going to be a 3-part tutorial where in the first part, we will be creating the icons in Canva. Then we will format the email signature using a Google Doc. And then from there, we will copy and paste the email signature into your Gmail settings. But before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram at LoadandLiving. Let's get into the video. So first off, we are going to start in Canva. So let's go straight to create a design, and then we need a custom size. So it's going to be 800 by 400 pixels. Okay, so here we are just going to be drafting basically all your contact information. So go ahead and just put your name. Maybe we'll format all this, but first we just, again, want to get all your important contact information down. So name, phone number, email, website address, your physical office address if you have one. And I'm just going to fast forward this part. And then I want line. I'm going to make this green for my colors here, and I'm going to put that behind my name. I want it kind of right there. I think I want the line to be just a little bit thicker. There we go. Then I'm going to put here just another piece of text. That's going to be residential realtor. I should spell realtor residential right. Then I'm going to just make that bolded and then do that. And then I'm just going to copy, Command C or Control C, and then Control V or Command V if you're on a Mac. And then I'm going to make this just all my social media handles. And then I'm going to make this green. And I'm just going to put it right here. Now I want some icons for the address and the phone number. So let's just go to grab a circle here. Just going to make sure that this is all properly lined up to the left. Now we're going to go into your elements, and now I'm going to look for, I think it's called location pin. So I'm just going to use this one. I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit so I can see better. Just so this fits in here, and then I'm going to change that to white. Then I'm going to go in and find the phone. I'm going to make this bigger. Just wanted to go all the way to the end. Move that up. Okay. Here, just a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to get my EXP logo. Put that right next to my logo. And then I'm going to add in the Wolfpack logo because I am a part of the Wolfpack here at eXp Realty. So now I just want to select all. I want to level them so they're all level. And then just to give some separation between the icons, I'm just going to go back into your elements, and I'm going to just get a line 3. Okay, and then I'm just going to put the transparency down to 50. Oops, 50. Actually, let's make this line 2. And then I'm just gonna duplicate that, just copy and paste, and move that here. So that is pretty much it for the one part of your email signature, which is your information. Now I want to have my profile picture in there and my icons. So though, to do this, we're going to create another design. So before we do that, let's save this image as a PNG, and we want a transparent background. So save that. You're going to need that. Let that download. Okay, now we're going to go back to home and we're going to create the social media icon. So go back to create a design, and we're going to go 300 by 300. So here, let's go grab a circle. So this, we're going to do our profile picture. So I want to make this green, and then go to frames. You should see a circle one. And I just want an outer ring on my profile picture. So make sure that is even, and then upload your photo. I'll use this one. Just play around with the placement. Okay, so now you have your photo. Now we're going to be creating our icons for Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. So go into elements. We're gonna do YouTube first. YouTube, grab this one and just size it all the way up. Make that green. Next page. Okay, so now we have our TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and your profile picture. Now we are going to download that all as a PNG and click the transparent background and then download. So that's going to download as a zip file to your computer. Now, this is where we format the email signature using Google Docs. Okay, this is where the actual magic happens. So go ahead and open a Google Doc. Now we are going to create a simple chart. So go to insert table, and we're going to do a 2 by 1. So we're just gonna size this down, move it here. Okay, I think that's now. Okay, remember how we downloaded both parts of the signature. So we're gonna go to insert, image, upload from computer, and I'm gonna go right where this is. We want that. So we're gonna open that. That is there. Just make it a little bit bigger. So now we have that first part in. Now we're going to add in our images. So add your profile picture in here. You can have it as big or as small as you'd like. Okay. And then we're going to be inserting the icons underneath the profile picture. So after you insert the profile picture, press enter so you're on the line underneath, and then go ahead and insert the icons. And they're going to be big, so to do that we're just going to size them down so they all fit on the same line. And just so they're not stuck together, when you put it in the Gmail settings, you have to put a space in between each icon. I'm just gonna make that a little bit bigger, like that. So now this is where we can add in our hyperlinks. So I am going to hyperlink this area here. Let me just make this a bit bigger so y'all can see. I'm going to click on the image here, and I'm going to right click and press link. So I'm going to connect this portion to my link tree. So here's my link tree. I'm just gonna copy and then go back, right click, link, paste it, apply. Now for my photo here, you can leave it blank. You don't have to connect it to anything if you don't want to. I'm just gonna leave that empty for now. So I'm gonna add in my YouTube. So go to your YouTube channel, copy, right click, link, paste, apply. Go to your Instagram now, copy, right click, apply. Facebook, if you have a Facebook page, again, right click, paste, apply, and finally my TikTok. This is where the magic happens. So what we are going to do is make the black table lines white. So to do that, you have to click the lines individually, click, and then you want to press shift on your keyboard and keep selecting the lines so they select everything like that and like that, and then go to the borderline color, and we just wanted to change it to white so it looks like that. Now from here we are going to copy this, so select the whole thing, Command or Control C, and this is where we are going to go into our Gmail settings. So go to your Gmail. In the upper right area, you want to click on your settings. So we just want to scroll down all the way to the email signature settings right here. So create new email signature, name it something if you like, and then from here it should be an empty box. And what we're going to do, again, we had copied from the Google Doc, now we're going to paste it into here. Ta-da! Like magic. And so if you click on each element, you should see that it is hyperlinked to something. So TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And from here, we are going to assign it to your email. So I'm going to click my EXP email, and I'm going to make sure you select the correct one. So this one's named as email signature for new emails and forward use emails, and then scroll all the way down, save to change. Now we're going to press compose, and as you can see, there it is right there. Beautiful. Now we want to make sure that this does work, so send a test email to a different account if you have it. Press send. And now I'm just going to open up my other email here. And then open the email. Now you just want to check and make sure that all the links are properly linked. So that is how you create an email signature with clickable links using Canva for Gmail. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below with any questions or concerns you may have, and don't forget, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram at Loden Living for more real estate content just like this. And until next time, I will see you all next time. Bye friends!